Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change port number settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over to menu and here go to preferences. Now go to network and here scroll a bit down until you see TCP and IP settings. Here we need to scroll almost all the way down until we see port number settings. And here, as you guys can see, we can change the ports. So LPD, RAW, WDSD, multicast, HTTP, multicast discovery. And here we have even more like SNMP, FTP, and SNMP. So here we can change them, basically click on them, and here you guys can apply new ports. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.